Continuing with the report from the Parliament Committee in New Zealand, former Member of Assembly Hema Tagalese has called on the Niue Assembly to form its own select committee to look at the future of the island. Mr Douglas had made his views known following the release of a report by the New Zealand Parliamentary Committee, which looked at the relationship of that country and its aid program to the region. Niue, together with the Cook Islands and Tokelau, was singled out for special attention, given their special relationship with New Zealand. Hema Douglas said the island is precariously perched on the borderline between a viable economic unit and one that is not. If our population continues to decline, the challenges facing the island, he says, will be formidable. He says the island elected leaders can no longer continue or ignore the problem, and added that Niueans must take a more proactive role in deciding a direction for the future.